After we play all those chords, now we'll go into new chord forms on page 116. Actually, I played a few of these on the previous exercise that I just played. We are going to learn how to play a dominant 7 flat 9 chord. If you already know your ninth chord, C9, actually I like to play it like this, C9, and then we can flat the 9 by taking our fourth finger off and flattening our first finger and playing on the second string. I usually like to play C in the bass or the fifth string in the bass and not the fifth in the bass, the G. But either way will work. If you play the fifth in the bass, it looks just like and sounds just like a diminished chord. The other forms that we're going to learn are dominant 7 sus4 and a dominant 7 flat 5. Our sus4 is taken physically off of this A minor 7 chord. But we're going to play a D7 sus4. What we're going to do is play our first finger on the 3rd fret, 4, 3, 2. You could put the root in the bass on the 5th string or the 5th in the bass. Putting the 5th in the bass prepares us to play dominant 7 flat 5, which we just take our 2nd and 3rd fingers and move it down a fret. Here is a common progression. D7 sus4, 5th in the bass, because I know we're going to go to D7 flat 5 to G6. Notice the bass motion is very close movement between the chords. Let's look at the exercise. We're playing G major 7, G6, A minor 7. Here's our new chord, D7 flat 9. You could either play it playing the root on the 5th string or playing the 5th on the 6th string. G6, A minor, B minor 7, E7 flat 9, A minor 7, D7 sus G or D7 sus 4 or D11, any of those, D7 flat 5, G6, C9, G6. Here it is in time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I chose in that exercise to play all the fifths in the bass. With D7 flat 9, I played it with A in the bass. With E7 flat 9, I played the 6th string, the B in the bass. When I played D7 sus 4, I did. Here it is a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. That time I switch sometimes between the 5th in the bass and the root in the bass. Our next exercise has a number of chords that are new to us. Physically, they'll be very similar, so this is a good time to look at it. We're going to first do a minor 9 chord. Again, if you know theory, you can figure out a lot of fingerings from knowing some other fingerings. In other words, if we know a D9 chord, we'll put we'll play the fifth string and make the D in the bass, the root. What's the difference between the D9 and the D minor 9? The D9 has an F sharp in it, the third. D minor 9 has an F natural, the minor third. So if we know where the F sharp is, we flat it 1 fret to get the F natural. There's your minor 9 chord. You could put the fifth in the bass too, or the root. The next chord is a dominant 7 sharp 9. A dominant 7 sharp 9. Well, if we know a D9, that's a dominant 7, 9, and we know where the 9 is, what does the name tell us to sharp the 9? Other ways of saying it is D7 sharp 9, D7 raised 9, or D7 augmented 9. Most of the time I hear and read D7 sharp 9. D9, D7 sharp 9. The next chord that I'm going to show you is a major 9-7. We'll look at this from the physical point of view. If we know a major 6, like A major 6, and we move our second finger to the fifth string and call that a root, that's D major 9-7. So that is from the physical standpoint. Sixth chord, A major 6, D major 7-9, or D major 9-7. You could also look at it from a D ninth chord to a D major 7-9, just by moving that C to C sharp. Let me play you the chords in exercise 2. F minor 9, or E7 sharp 9, or you could put the fifth in the bass, E flat major 7, E diminished, back to F minor 9, E7 sharp 9, E9, here's the E flat major 9-7, D flat 7, D7 flat 9, E flat. In tempo, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're playing these type of chords, the top note is very important because you're hearing the 9, the sharp 9, the third on the E major 7, E flat major 7, the third on the E diminished. They're all the same note, G. F minor 9, E7 sharp 9, here's where we start moving. E9, E flat major 9-7, D flat 9, D7 flat 9, E flat. Practice that slowly and see if you can hear the top note of the chord and sing it. Da 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 da.